Alright everyone, so now that we've learned about how to actually create your own Google Classroom and how to add your own students and your own announcements and everything, I'm going to let you guys try it out on your own. So for the next 5 to 10 minutes, you'll have the opportunity to try out the other features of Google Classroom, do a little bit of your own research, kind of explore it in ways that you feel are beneficial for you. So you have a couple options. You can either complete the assignment that I attached on our Google Classroom. So if you add yourself into the Crash Course Google Classroom homepage, then you will have access to that same Age of Exploration assignment that I actually gave to my own social studies students, and you can even use it for yourself if you want to add that and share it with yourself. But you will have access to that if you want to try out completing that assignment. Just try it out, see what it's like for a student to have an assignment like that given to them. Or you can actually go into your own Google Classroom, your professional one, and customize it by adding students, changing around the homepage, whichever way you'd like, adding announcements, assignments, whatever you feel you'd like to do now. Now's the time to do that. I will be available for any questions, both now and afterwards. I will have access to this Google Classroom that you've all added yourselves to if you guys have any questions in the future.